Are you looking for a new and exciting way to earn money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further than selling your own physical products on your own Adobe Commerce, Magento, store. Many people struggle to find a reliable source of income, and traditional jobs may not offer the flexibility or income potential they desire. Starting a business selling physical products can be challenging, especially for those with limited resources or experience. Fortunately, selling your own physical products on your own Adobe Commerce, Magento, store can provide a solution. With its user-friendly platform, robust features, and powerful e-commerce tools, Magento is the perfect choice for anyone looking to start an online store. According to recent statistics, the first year of a startup can be challenging, with over 20% of businesses failing during that period and about 80% of e-commerce businesses failing within the first 18 months. However, the e-commerce industry is one of the fastest growing industries, and businesses in this field have the potential to generate significant income in their first year. If you're new to the e-commerce industry or need to improve your skills, don't worry. There are many resources available to help you become an expert in this field, including online courses, training programs, and expert guidance. Check out the video description below for additional resources to help you start. By selling your own physical products on your own Adobe Commerce, Magento, store, you can enjoy benefits such as flexibility, control over your business, and the potential to generate significant income. You can also tap into a global market, reaching customers from around the world. If you're ready to take the next step and start selling your own physical products on your own Magento store, there's no better time to start than now. With the right strategy, dedication, and resources, you can turn your online store into a successful and profitable business. So, what are you waiting for? Start your e-commerce journey today.